What's up, guys? Welcome back to NTLP. My name is Nick, and this is the place to be for everything landscape photography. Challenge time. I'm challenging you guys. Want to know what the challenge is? Stick around and find out. Whoosh.
I've been a real bad boy on the town all night. Starting to calm down with the morning light. I'm in the bed.
Alright, guys, so before I start this video, if you can hop down there, hit that subscribe button, it would be super appreciated. Absolutely. Yes. Please do that. Also, while you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. Yeah. Follow me on social media. Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. Alright, so I guess we're doing a challenge. Yeah. We're doing a landscape photography challenge. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be every week I'm going to be pulling a card, whether that be the ace of spades or the 3 of diamonds or the 10 of diamonds or ace of spades, 6 of hearts. I mean, there's 52 cards in a deck, right? So 52 weeks, I believe that's a year. Unless, is this year a leap year? I don't know. Anyways, 52 week challenge. Now, it's not going to be a consecutive 52 week challenge because that's just going to be whole. I might do it in spurts, like maybe do 2 or 3 challenges a week, or 2 or 3 weekly challenges, maybe take a break and then continue the week after, so on and so forth. So 52 weeks of different landscape photography ideas. How this is going to work, I'm going to throw up a graphic here. 52 week challenge. Okay, so hearts are going to, so if I pull like the ace of hearts, that will be anything related to hearts are going to have like a feeling or emotion towards it. So that could be drama, peaceful, cold, joyful, stuff like that. So feelings and emotions are going to stick with hearts. Spades is for techniques. A square format like for Instagram, black and white. Freeze the action, stuff like that. So spades will be techniques. Diamonds are composition. Looking for abstracts, looking for horizontals, repetition, reflections, stuff like that. And clubs are going to be ideas. So a simplistic photo, shoot something with a whole bunch of texture, minimalism, movement, stuff like that. So clubs are just ideas, diamonds are composition, spades are techniques, and hearts are emotions. So we're going to be starting this challenge next week. I'm just going to give you guys a little bit of a heads up of what I'm going to be doing. Of course, I'm going to be posting videos about it and blogs on my website. So make sure you're subscribed to this channel. And if you haven't already, check out my website. Link is in the description below. So yeah, what do you guys think about this 52 week card challenge? I think it's a pretty good idea. We'll give it a go. We'll see how it goes. I'm pumped for it. Are you? Should be. 52 weeks of landscape ideas. Woo, that's... I should say 52 non-consecutive weeks of ideas. Yeah, we'll leave it at that. All right, guys, let me know if you're super pumped about this challenge, or if you're not, let me know in the comments below. Also, subscribe to this channel. It'll help me out so much. Just this channel is growing by the minute, so make sure you're on part of the family here. Yeah, love to have you. While you're down there, hit that like, share, and bell notification. It'll let you know when I upload my next video. And the next video might be something to do with this. So we'll see. Also follow me on social media, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. Links are in the description below. All right, guys, I know this was just a little quick video, but I'm super pumped about this challenge, and I hope you guys are too. So with all that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.